This is a video for a fitment of a radiator for a 68 fastback Mustang. It's got a Rod and Custom front end in it and big block 390 stroked. The issue I have is space between my pulleys and the radiator is pretty limited, so not a lot of room in there. So I've had to modify the core support to make things fit. The stock setup cross member at the lower core support used to have a little bit of a, wasn't really square. Long story, it took up a lot more room, probably half an inch. So I cut that out and then did a notch for the bottom of the radiator. I'll show you the radiator later, but basically I'm going to box that out, make some more room, and some custom radiator supports for the radiator. And the box I'm making is over here. It's a piece of 16 gauge. Made a 1-inch box by overall between the frame rails. Put some tabs on the end, welded them in. So I'll show you the next phase after this is all installed and welded in.